Whoa! Look at what it is. Yeah, it's a police car toy. Hey, if you like police cars, on the count of 3, I want you to yell Blippi police cars. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blippi police cars!
Let them by. Police cars, police cars, police cars. Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes. There's a radio and a computer inside them. Some have a dog to help them sniff out crime. Sometimes you need the help of a canine. Police cars, police cars, police cars. If you're ever in trouble, or if somebody's hurt,
or if there's an emergency,
you dial 911
and the police will come
driving in there. Yeah, police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars.
That was really fun singing, dancing to the police car song with you. Hey, I have something really important to tell you. You are very special. You are an amazing child. I am so excited to see what great things you do on our planet by making it a better place and helping people out. Last but not least, thanks for being my friend. Thank you. Well, I gotta go now. But if you want to hang out with me some more, you know how to find me. Yeah, just search for my name. You know my name, right? Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Good job. See you soon. Bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.